Welcome back to the channel, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated drone releases of 2024, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. With groundbreaking camera capabilities, improved flight time, and next-level AI-driven obstacle avoidance, this drone sets new benchmarks in the aerial photography and videography world. If you're a professional drone pilot, a content creator, or just a tech geek fascinated by innovation, you won't want to miss this review. So, buckle up as we explore everything from specs, camera features, battery life, and new AI functionalities to how the Mavic 4 Pro stacks up against its competitors. And if you're planning to buy one, stick around until the end for some essential tips, pricing insights, and release date predictions. Design and build. DJI has always delivered premium build quality, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. Sporting an upgraded carbon fiber-infused body, the drone is both lighter and more durable than its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. The aerodynamics have been refined for smoother flights, reducing drag while improving speed and stability. Some noticeable design improvements include foldable arms, now more compact and reinforced to handle rugged outdoor conditions. Redesigned propellers, quieter yet more efficient, minimizing sound pollution while maximizing thrust. Improved heat dissipation, ensuring that even during intense 4K or 8K video recording sessions, the drone remains cool. Camera capabilities, a game changer for content creators. The biggest talking point of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its upgraded camera system. DJI has introduced a 50MP Hasselblad sensor that delivers ultra-clear images and cinematic quality videos. Key camera features include 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Ideal for professional filmmakers and YouTubers who require ultra-sharp content. Improved low-light performance. The new f/1.8 aperture lens combined with an enhanced HDR mode ensures stunning footage, even at night. 10-bit color depth unlocks richer tones and improved color grading options in post-production. Variable aperture, f/1.8, f/11, allows complete control over depth of field and light intake. 4x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. Perfect for capturing distant subjects without losing image quality. Advanced flight features and AI capabilities. The Mavic 4 Pro takes autonomous flying to the next level with DJI's AI-enhanced autopilot system. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The drone is equipped with 360-degree AI sensors, making it nearly crash-proof, even in dense environments. ActiveTrack 6.0. Now with enhanced subject recognition, the drone can intelligently track moving objects, including cars, animals, and even extreme sports like skateboarding or skiing. Waypoint Pro 2.0. Create detailed pre-planned flight paths for cinematic shots without manual control. Advanced Return to Home, RTH mode. Uses real-time AI mapping to find the safest and fastest route back. Battery and flight time. One of the most significant improvements in the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its longer flight time. Powered by an upgraded 5,000 mAh intelligent battery, the drone offers up to 50 minutes of flight per charge. Additional power features. Fast charging. Achieves 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Battery swapping. The new modular design makes changing batteries quicker and easier. Improved energy efficiency. Ensures longer flights even in extreme conditions like strong winds. Remote controller and connectivity. The new DJI RC Pro 2.0 comes with a larger OLED touchscreen, a built-in antenna for enhanced transmission, and a dedicated AI assistant for voice commands. OcuSync 4.0 Plus transmission system provides a 15 km range with 1080p live feed stability. Wi-Fi 6E support for ultra-fast file transfers. Low latency mode, designed for FPV-like responsiveness, especially useful for racing and action shots.